In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to decide cross-filter direction in Power BI. Start by opening Power BI desktop on your computer. Go to one of your existing reports so you're working with a real model. On the left panel, switch to Model View. Here you'll see all your tables and the relationship lines connecting them. To review or change how filters move across those relationships, double-click a relationship line to open the Edit dialog. In this window, look for cross-filter direction. This is where you choose between single and both. Single direction is the default for a reason. It's ideal for clean star schemas, where a central fact table like sales is connected to dimension tables such as date and product. With single, filters flow from the dimension to the fact table, giving you predictable results and better performance. For example, when you filter month, it filters sales. When you filter product, it filters sales. Crucially, sales does not filter product or month. That one-way flow prevents ambiguity, keeps totals consistent, and maintains clear, understandable behavior in visuals and measures. In most sales and finance models, single direction is exactly what you want. Both directions allows filters to flow both ways across the relationship. This can be useful in specific advanced scenarios. Consider a many-to-many relationship where both tables need to influence each other, or when you're using a bridge table to connect two tables that don't relate directly. It can also help when you intentionally build slicers from a fact table and need that slicer to push filters back to related dimensions. In those cases, both can make the model behave as intended. However, be cautious. Bidirectional filtering can introduce ambiguity if there are multiple paths between tables, which may change results in ways that are hard to diagnose. It can also slow down calculations, especially in larger models. For that reason, avoid using both in a simple star schema, in models with multiple fact tables, in finance models where totals and time intelligence must remain rock solid, and generally if you're a beginner. After you choose a direction, confirm the change and test it with a few visuals and slices. Make sure the filters flow the way you expect and watch for unexpected totals or odd interactions. If something looks off, switch back to single and reassess whether bidirectional filtering is really needed. With these guidelines, you'll make deliberate, reliable choices about cross-filter direction in Power BI.